Here we have question 48, and this is a word choice question, and it says, as used in line 32, handle most nearly means. So the way to solve this is we're going to go up to lines 32, which is right here, and we're going to read this sentence. So this says, the calcified or rigid-bodied seaweed has multiple non-calcified joints that make it flexible, yet strong enough to handle that setting. And basically what this means is we're talking about the seaweed here. We're saying it has these hard-bodied parts, and then it has these non-calcified joints that make it flexible yet strong to handle, or basically to live in this setting here. And they describe the setting as this one where there's these waves, underwater waves or whatever, pummeling the algae, and that there's forces that are exceed those generated by a hurricane. So handle here could basically mean just to survive, just to live, just to be in that setting and be able to cope with it. So we want an answer choice that will capture that. So A says that handle means train for, which doesn't make too much sense. It doesn't really make sense to say that the algae or the seaweed is training for the environment because it has these features. It doesn't really make sense. Let's get rid of that. B says survive in, which is kind of one of the words that we might want to replace handle with, survive in. So this is a pretty good answer choice. I'd say let's keep this one because we are talking about surviving or coping with an environment. C says engage in. So engage in sort of presupposes that you're surviving, but it's not really emphasizing the fact that the seaweed is engaging or doing anything in the environment, just that it's sort of lasting and able to survive. So C is wrong. And then D says act on, which is pretty similar to engage in. It's to act on the environment, but it's also not a really good answer choice for the same reason as C. And so in comparison to D, we should get rid of, or in comparison to B, we should get rid of D, and that's going to leave us with answer choice B, which says survive in, which is our correct answer for question 48.